complicated because it's a huge one, and I'm sure kids are not used to do so big so many additions together. So that's what I'm telling. It's a little grown-up activity on 7-8-year-old. So 7 minus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Like that, everything has to be filled. So practicing it.
To practice addition, subtraction, multiplication, and even division. The first thing you're going to need is just a blank piece of paper and a marker or a pen. And you're going to draw a circle on your paper. Then you're going to draw a smaller inner circle. The next thing you're going to do is pick 4 numbers to put on the outside. I'm going to pick 6, 2, 8, and 4. It really doesn't matter what these numbers are. For this game, we're going to practice addition. So I'm going to put a plus sign, and I'm going to pick another number to go in the middle. It could be 3. The object is to see how fast your child can solve each one of these addition equations. 3 plus 6, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 8, and 3 plus 4. You write the answer on the outside of the circle. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 8 is 11. And 3 plus 4 is 7. So after you teach them the object of the game, you would time them and you'd give them a number to write in the middle, and then they would automatically begin to solve. Then you could do it again to see if they could beat their time. So you could draw another circle and again put the same numbers, or you could do different numbers. We're going to do the same ones, but this time we're going to add using a different number, say 5. And you'd say go. 5 plus 6 is 11, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 8 is 13, and 5 plus 4 equals 9. This is a great game to practice addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Start. See? See this? You also bring your
outside step over. Bring your foot around the front of the ball and lean your body as if you're going to move that direction. Then use your other foot to push the ball a different way. Magidi spin. When a defender is on your back, push the ball behind your leg. Then turn. And use your other foot to push the ball down the line. Berbatov spin. When you're trapped against the line, use the inside of your foot to stop the ball before it goes out of bounds. Then turn, and use that same foot to flick the ball past the defender. Speed elastic. Use the outside of your foot to push the ball one direction. Then quickly move that same foot around the ball and push the ball forward past your opponent. The V. Push the ball as if you were going to pass to a teammate. Then pull the ball back and go a different direction. Pull behind leg. When an opponent tries to steal the ball, use the underside of your foot to pull it back. Then use the inside of your foot to push the ball behind your leg and away from the challenge. Feints. While dribbling, lunge as if you were going to accelerate one direction. Then use your other foot to push the ball the other way. Inside step over. Bring one foot across your body and around the front of the ball. Then use the outside of that same foot to go the other way. Stop and go. When running down the wing, use the inside of your foot to momentarily stop the ball. Then quickly use your other foot to push the ball the same direction. Scoop turn. Start pushing the ball as if you were going to pass to a teammate. Then quickly drag the ball down the line and pass the defender. Maradona spin or roulette. When a defender gets too close, use the underside of your foot to drag the ball back. Then turn and use the underside of your other foot to pull the ball away. Outside heel toe. Use the outside of your heel to begin pushing the ball one direction. Then quickly turn your foot and use the outside of your toes to flick the ball past your opponent. Ronaldo chop. When a defender is catching up to you, use the inside of your foot to chop the ball behind your leg and behind your opponent. Elastico. Use the outside of your foot to push the ball one direction. Then quickly move that same foot around the ball and push the ball in the other direction. Roll to heel. When you have space on the wing, use the underside of one foot to pull the ball back. Then use the inside of your other foot to push the ball past the defender. It's just fired.